Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 1st, 2025, and we're analyzing Microsoft, MSFT, stock, looking at both the latest news and the chart data. Recent news highlights concerns about Trump's proposed tariffs, causing market volatility and consumer unease. Some sources are talking about a possible absolute nightmare at U.S. ports due to increased tariffs. Goldman Sachs warns that these auto tariffs may cause car prices to increase to $15,000. Let's jump into the chart and see how these events correlate with MSFT's price action. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a bit of choppiness over the last few months. We saw a high in early July 2024 and then experienced a pullback through August, followed by a recovery. We will focus in on the March and April 2025 range for a closer look. Zooming in on the recent price action in March 2025, we saw a significant drop towards the end of the month, possibly reflecting the market's initial reaction to the tariff news and other economic concerns. The stock found support around the $375 level, bouncing back at the very end of March. Today, April 1st, we see a slight increase, but the uncertainty remains. We see that Microsoft's stock price dropped sharply to near $375, which is also around the yearly low. Now let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more granular view. Looking at the hourly chart, we see more detailed fluctuations. The 1-hour chart clearly shows the volatility around the daily candles. We can see that Microsoft attempted to hold the $380 price point, but quickly dropped significantly as the day went on. Analyzing the 15-minute chart, we can identify key support and resistance levels. We can see some support around $375, but we also need to consider potential resistance around $380, a key psychological level. We must also factor in some headlines that MSFT-backed OpenAI closed a $40 billion funding round. It is possible Microsoft may try to break back above $380. However, we also see Microsoft is reportedly retreating from China by shuttering its IT and AI Insider Lab. Overall, the short-term outlook remains uncertain given the current economic climate. The stock may test the $375 support level again. However, long-term projections are still bullish, driven by AI and cloud services, as some analysts predict Microsoft could reach $850 to $1,000 by 2030. Key price levels to watch include the $375 support and the $380 resistance. Be aware of upcoming news regarding Trump's tariffs, as this could significantly impact the stock. Keep an eye out for any announcements regarding Microsoft's AI initiatives, which could provide a positive catalyst for the stock. The current news is that the White House announced new 25% tariffs on China-made electronics, with analysts saying big tech companies are poised to spend vast amounts on data centers, increasing costs because of Trump's tariffs.